Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. I'm Bob, and today I have a quick tip for you. If you're working on a project where you're torquing bolts down, let's just say you're restoring a car, and you're under the car and you have many bolts to torque, and you can't remember every single bolt that you torque. So if you're torquing at the head, get yourself a marker, and all you do is mark the head after you torque the bolt. If you're torquing the bolt on the nut side, you just mark the nut. Okay? And so when you see the mark, you know that you torqued that bolt, and you just keep moving on. Thanks for watching. There you go. Subscribe, like, comment. Visit us at albanycountyfasteners.com for 50,000 SKUs right off the rack, ready to ship. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.